The gut microbiome. Do you know that every bite you take affects your gut's shape? Ancient wisdom meets modern science to transform your health, and your journey starts here. Within us, countless of bacteria, viruses, and fungi resides. They form the gut microbiome, a complex and essential ecosystem that performs vital functions for our health. In traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, this relationship is seen as a balance of yin and yang, the harmony between our internal and external environments. A healthy gut, full of diverse and beneficial bacteria, supports our overall well-being, just like TCM's focus on keeping the spleen and stomach in balance. The bacteria in our guts help break down food that the body alone can't digest. They also produce important nutrients, regulate the immune system, and protect us from harmful germs. In TCM, the spleen and stomach play a similar role, governing digestion, energy distribution, and immune health. Many factors can affect the balance of the gut microbiome, like our environment, medications, or even how we were born. In TCM, these disturbances may disrupt the flow of qi or introduce dampness, weakening digestion and overall health. Luckily, diet is something we can control, and it plays a huge role in both TCM and modern science when it comes to gut health. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, legumes, and whole grains are essential for feeding the beneficial bacteria in our guts. When gut bacteria digest fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which nourish the gut lining and boost immune function. This process mirrors the TCM concept of strengthening spleen qi to support digestion and prevent dampness and heat from accumulating. In the scientific community, it is well known that when researchers conduct an experiment, they might alter participants' diets from high-fat, low-fiber intake to one rich in fiber. After a few weeks, those who adopted the higher fiber diet exhibited greater bacterial diversity and reduced inflammation. From a TCM perspective, this is like replenishing the body's yin and reducing damp heat, restoring balance and vitality. But what happens when we eat low-fiber processed foods? In both TCM and modern science, the result is clear: less fiber starves the good bacteria in our gut, leading to reduced diversity. In TCM, this can be compared to dampness building up in the body, disrupting digestion and overall energy flow. Certain foods are particularly beneficial for gut health. In a microbiome study, foods like berries, onions, green tea, nuts, apples, and dark chocolate were linked to increased gut bacteria diversity. These foods contain polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that are cooling and nourishing in TCM, helping balance yin and qi. On the other hand, sugary drinks and fatty processed foods were linked to less bacterial diversity. In traditional Chinese medicine, these foods are believed to create dampness and phlegm, which can block the flow of qi and weaken the body. How we prepare our food matters too. Lightly steamed or raw vegetables retain more fiber, just as they preserve more of the qi and nutrients needed for good digestion. In traditional Chinese medicine, fried or processed foods generate excess heat and dampness, which can overload the digestive system. Fermented foods, on the other hand, are rich in probiotics, good bacteria that can restore gut health. In traditional Chinese medicine, fermented foods are considered replenishing and help harmonize the digestive system. Foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, tempeh, and kombucha all contribute to a diverse and balanced gut microbiome. Yogurt is another great source of probiotics, but not all yogurt is created equal. Some yogurts are filled with sugar and lack enough probiotics to really help your gut. In traditional Chinese medicine, overly sweet foods generate dampness and can actually harm digestion. While more research is still needed to fully understand how different foods affect the microbiome, both traditional Chinese medicine and modern science agree on one thing: a healthy, balanced gut is essential for overall well-being. By eating a diet rich in fiber and whole, fresh foods, we can support our gut microbiome and maintain harmony within our body. In traditional Chinese medicine, this is the key to strengthening qi and keeping our digestive system running smoothly. Nourish your gut, nourish your life. Trust in the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine and modern science.